Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel here. And this video is going to be a quick video on how to back up your Windows machine. This is going to be using the built-in Windows backup tools. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. That would help me out a lot. And if you, at the end of the video, like the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that bell icon if you haven't already to get notified on any new uploads that I put out. So stay tuned and we will start the video right after this. And we are back, and in this video is going to be a quick video on how to show you the Windows built-in backup options. So to start this, you're just going to want to go down to the start button here. And you're going to want to go to settings right here. And next we're going to want to go to update and security right here. And next we're going to want to go down here to backup right here. I'm going to click on that. And then if you haven't done this before, you're going to pull up this option here. It's going to be add a drive. And then if you want to use the older Windows 7 backup and restore, then you can go ahead and use that. I'll show you that here. It's just this here. You can set up your backup. Just going to take a second to initialize your drives. And then here you can select any of the drives that you want to. On my computer, I have multiple, but you can select any of them that you want. You just click on that and then press next. And then I would recommend to choose let Windows choose. And that is also recommended by Windows as well. And then you press next. And then it's going to show you the items that are going to be backed up. And then you're going to click on save settings and run backup. And that's going to immediately start backing up your computer onto that drive. So I'll click cancel here and I will go through the initial Windows 10 version of the backup. So to initialize this, you're going to want to go to add a drive. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to want to click on the drives that you have available. So here I can click on my backup drive here. And then it's automatically going to turn on automatic backup for you. So then if you want to change your settings, you can click on more options right here. And then right here is going to list everything that is going to back up. So if you haven't backed it up yet, you can click on backup now, and then it's going to start backing up all of these different folders from your computer. So just scroll down through there, and then you can exclude any of these folders that you want to. You just click this here, and then you can exclude any files that you want. I'll just click on cancel. And then if you want to back up to a different drive, you can stop using this drive and then re-go through the steps that I just went through and on initializing the drive. And down here you have related settings, and you can see your advanced settings right here. And here is going to be the history of your files. So this is copying files from libraries, desktop, contacts, and favorites onto my book drive. And then the file history is saving copies of your files for the first time. And then you can click stop on that if you don't want it to save your file history. And if you want to turn off backup, then you can just turn this off here, and then it won't keep any of the history of files. So I'll click out of that. And then if you want to restore files from a current backup, then you just click on this button here. And then all of the backups will be listed here. But since I haven't backed it up yet, there will not be any backups listed there. So I'll just exit out of that. And then if you go up, you can change the backup files times. So you can back it up every hour, every 10 minutes, and so on and so forth. You can have it go daily. I usually would do daily. It's just easiest. It is not copying files constantly. And then you can keep the backups for however long that you want to. I recommend at least 6 months. That will give you time to find files that you need to, or if until space is needed. That's also a good option. And then that is pretty much it. Right now it's backing up my data and it's copying all the files that is listed right here. And if you click on any of these, it's just gonna, and then you can remove them. So if you don't want that, you can remove it. If you don't want your downloads put in there, then you can remove that, which is a pretty cool option. So that is pretty much it for your backups. So in order to see your backups, then you can go down to this File Explorer right here and scroll down to the drive. And then it's going to be listed in File History right here. And then here's your computer. This is the desktop name. Configuration files right here. And here's your data. And right now it's currently copying everything over. So there's not much going to be listed in here. So here's your C drive. C drive is always the main operating system, which is Windows in this case. And then users, and then me. And then it's currently copying all these files and everything from the main computer, or the main drive, which is useful if you don't want to lose anything. If your computer randomly dies on you, it just popped in here. It's currently copying everything over, so it's going to be listed. Things are just going to keep popping in here because it's copying. But having backups is a very good idea, because if your computer dies all of a sudden for any reason, then you're not going to lose all of your information, and you can get that data back fairly easily with a external or an internal dedicated drive for only backups. If you have your backups and data all stored on one hard drive and with your operating system, then if that data or that hard drive gets corrupted and you can't use that hard drive anymore, then there goes all your data, and you have to go through the long data recovery process, which can also be very expensive because that has to be done by a data professional. So doing a daily or weekly system backup is a very good idea, because then you're not going to lose all your data. And you can also set this up to delete the old backup and then reinstate a new backup for that current week or day. So you're not going to run out of storage either on that drive. So, I mean, that's pretty much it for backing up your system. There's not really much to it. There's a few settings and stuff that you do, and then you just leave it, and then it backs it up by itself. There's also third-party applications that you can use, and that's which I use mainly, as I use third-party applications for my backups. And I'll be making a video on that very soon, so please stay tuned and subscribe for that if you want to see that. And that is all I have for this video, and I hope you all enjoyed. Please smash that like button if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already, and show me some support if you would. And I wish you all to have a good day, and peace out. See you all next time.